Hey everyone, I am Brooke Britton and I am the Vice President for the South Carolina Public Health Association. With me today, I have a very special guest and she is going to be sharing some information with us about an upcoming event that is so important. And I also think it's a good way that all of us with the South Carolina Public Health Association can get involved. So I am going to toss it over to Miss Dorothea Lewis. So tell us a little bit about yourself. Tell us about this event coming up, how long you've been participating. Give us the details.
All right. Well, hello, Brooke, and thank you for allowing me to take this moment to talk a little bit about the American Heart Association Midlands Heart Walk. As for me, I am Dorothea Lewis, and I also want to mention that I have served with the South Carolina Public Health Association for many years, over 20 years. I really have participated in the health education section as well as the nutrition section and also the mentorship section. So I am very much proud, and I find it an honor to be able to serve with the South Carolina Public Health Association in that way. Now, when it comes to the American Heart Association Midlands Heart Walk, I serve as the team coach for the 2026 Wellness Warriors team. And I have been able to have this opportunity to serve as team coach for our Wellness Warriors team for about 10 years and watched it grow over the years.
Okay, so Dorothea, to the really important questions, why is this event so important to you? And is there a favorite moment, something special that really sticks out to you that's happened over the years while you've been participating?
Well, Brooke, the American Heart Association Midlands Heart Walk is so important to me. It actually started out personally because my grandmother was affected by heart disease, and I watched her go through a heart journey for many years. And I noticed that even though she went through her heart journey and tried to do the best she could to manage it, there was actually a trajectory in the way that she managed it that helped me to want to do more with preventive heart health. So I do appreciate the legacy that my grandmother left behind of love and her heart journey, so that it definitely motivated me to want to participate in the Midlands Heart Walk for many years. But over the years, my purpose for participating in the Heart Walk expanded far beyond my personal obligation with it, but it also became a community volunteer motivation for me because I want to see not only my own family and myself become more aware of heart awareness and preventive health, but I want to see the entire community become more aware of heart disease and how it affects the family, and also how we, as each individual, as each community person, can reduce the risk of heart disease.
Oh, that's great, Dorothea. I really appreciate you sharing your personal story. I'm sure many of our members too can relate in some capacity. So I appreciate you sharing, why this means so much to you.
Yes, and you mentioned what was one of my favorite moments during the Heart Walk. Well, Brooke, there's been so many, but one that recently I do remember and do recall is that when one of my team leaders, actually, that I happened to work with in a different capacity, she was able to walk with us for the first time last year and share her heart health story, not only to us as wellness warriors, but also with the news. So I do appreciate the fact that she was able to share her personal story, not only to us, but also to the world, because it definitely affects not only the person that is dealing with that particular health condition, but also their families, their community, their friends. So this is a worldwide issue. And we also know that heart disease is still the number one killer in the United
Mhm.
States. So it's still very much important for us not to only focus on it for the present generation, but also to honor the past generation and also to make sure that we make room for being able to provide more preventive measures for the future generations.
So true. I was like, it's for everybody now coming up, and it's so inspiring when somebody can share one of those personal stories and be a part and participate. So that's fantastic. Thanks for sharing that with us, Dorothea.
You're welcome.
All right, everybody. Dorothea has gotten us so inspired, motivated. We are ready, Dorothea. So, how can the South Carolina Public Health Association partner with you at the event? When is it? Where is it? How do we register? We need the details.
Well, the South Carolina Public Health Association can partner with us as the American Heart Association Midlands Heart Walk Wellness Warriors team by coming out on March the 28th, which is the last Saturday in March, to walk with us at Segra Park for a cause greater than you, to increase the awareness of heart health, and also to look at supporting us with some life-saving measures to help with heart health. So I want to share again that we want you to please join us by signing up for our team. We are the 2026 Wellness Warriors team, and we will be walking together on Saturday, March the 28th at 8 a.m. at Segra Park in Columbia, South Carolina. You can reach out to me at Dorothea, Dorthea 92 @gmail.com, and I'll be more than happy to send you the link. And I'm sure there are going to be some other ways within the South Carolina Public Health Association that will have this information posted so that you can register for our team. I do want to let you know there is no donation required, but if for some reason you want to donate and support it, there is also a link on that website where you can also support the heart health efforts. We hope to see you at our event, and we look forward to you being a part of the cause much greater than we are to help reduce the chances of heart disease in the Midlands and in South Carolina and in the United States of America.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Dorothea, for sharing this information. We will definitely give everyone all the details to register and sign up and to come out with us. I will add too, if you are not in the Midlands area and don't think you can travel and get there that weekend, there are some other heart health events happening in the state. So the CSRA Heart Walk is Friday, March 27th at 5 p.m. at SRP Park. So those in that Aiken, North Augusta area. We also have one in the upstate in the Greenville area. It is Saturday, April 11th at 9 a.m. at Floor Field. So please participate in one of these events. I was like, it's such a great cause. Dorothea gave us so much good information and why it really is so important to her personally too, and really has inspired us. So Dorothea, thank you again. Everybody else, we look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks so much.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful day.